I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you groove, make you I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you groove, make you I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you groove, make you I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you groove, make you I wanna make you shake.
These are not sound effects. This is the actual thunderstorm. What do you think about it, Paul?
This sounds like torrential rain.
I haven't seen any lightning yet. Do you think I should be standing right next to this metal thing, or?
Probably not.
And our hotel is only a few feet away as well, but we're not going to risk it. Hopefully this will be over shortly. Ooh! There's the lightning. That's phenomenal. Even if I did have an umbrella with me, and I don't, I think Paul's got one, I'm not going out in this. No way. I'd rather just stand here and let it pass, and then run for it. The road is actually getting flooded now. The water level is up about almost at curb level. Wow. If it keeps going like this, the sidewalk is going to become flooded in a moment. It's getting heavier. I think it's going to breach in a moment. Look at that over there.
Aren't you really glad there is this awning up here?
Well, thank goodness we went to our local shop to get a few essentials, otherwise we might have been caught out in this. We've got some shelter here. So is this typical of New York, where
Do you know why
it's
this
not
is?
in the forecast? Why is this
Because
happening?
it's so bloody humid. That's why when it reaches to like really high level, then it starts to rain.
The only thing is that normally after a thunderstorm, if
Cools
there's
off.
been humidity, it would cool off, but here it doesn't. The level of humidity stays the same, or in fact can actually increase. It's that bad. So it's not even forecast, look. It says 5% chance of precipitation. Humidity 55%.
And it feels like
Temperature is 33 Celsius, feels like 42. Low chance of precipitation yet. That's the reality.
not leaving yet.
I think it is starting to brighten up ever so slightly.
How many minutes have we been waiting?
Oh, 10 minutes maybe?
How come it feels so much longer?
I don't know. But it is definitely easing off a bit. There is a little bit of extra light coming through. it's a case of just having to wait it out. Some of our other bystanders have started to move on now. But the thing is, it could actually worsen just in a split second. So I am not going to risk it just yet. Well, it really has started to ease off.
Yeah.
It's still raining though. And I think if we were to leave right now, this bag, paper bags, would just disintegrate. So we're going to give it a few more minutes and hopefully it will have stopped completely then.
It feels a little bit cooler now.
There is a bit of a cool breeze that's just blowing in now. Okay, I think we're going to make a dash for it. Paul's got one umbrella up. I didn't bring mine out because I believed the forecast.
I never believe the forecast.
So we'll wait for the cross light.
No, this one.
Oh, we don't have the cross. Okay. Oh, it's all undercover here. Anyway. So there you have it, folks. Make sure you take your umbrella out. Lesson learned. Don't always believe the forecast, especially here in New York.
I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you.
We hope you're enjoying this show. Please stay tuned for more after the break.
I wanna make you shake, make you sweat, make you I wanna make you move, make you groove, make you.
Thank you for watching our show today. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe.
The smell of newsprint. One of the traditions that I always follow in New York is to buy the Sunday edition of the New York Times. Now, if you are out and about on a Saturday evening, you should be able to buy it in the shops then, because it is printed very early. But no matter when you get it, you will be spending possibly a week to get through it because there are so many sections. And of course it starts off with the main news section. So let's take a look and see what else we've got. We've got the... Ooh, did I miss one? No. We've got the Sunday Opinion, which speaks for itself. No puns intended. Sunday Styles, which I think is like fashion and all that sort of stuff. Sunday Business, which again speaks for itself. And then when we flick through these, you get the real estate, so everything about properties. Metropolitan, which I think is perhaps like long reads, more interesting bits and pieces about New York City. Arts and leisure, which is theater, cinemas, all that sort of stuff. And you also get, of course, the famous New York Times magazine and the book review. And it's actually quite a good deal, all this, because if you consider the amount of sections there are, it only costs $6. And I can remember back in the day, many years ago, it was $5. So it's only gone up $1 since then. And I think during the week it costs $3. But the Sunday edition is very, very special. And you can actually buy it abroad. I have seen it in London, but you don't get it until the next weekend. So by then, the news at least is out of date. But the features are timeless. And of course, the New York Times' saying is, all the news that's fit to print. Take some time to reflect on today's show and then please subscribe. This is World Trade Center subway station, and it's one of the newest on the network. This station was completely rebuilt after 9/11, and the great thing about it is it's actually got AC in the station.
Wow.
Behind us is this spectacular World Trade Center station and shopping complex with One World Trade Center behind us. This is the area which was born out of the disaster on September 11th, 2001. But New Yorkers don't sit still, and the area has grown up again, and the 9/11 memorial is also nearby. Thanks for watching the show today. Now don't forget to please subscribe. So we are now walking to one of my favourite spots in New York City. It's not anywhere that you will see on a tourist map, and to most people it probably is nothing at all. But I always remember this particular piece of architecture, I suppose you could say, and I took a picture of it about 20 years ago and I had it framed. Let's take a look. And here it is. It's one of the very old-fashioned original subway signs, subway lights, subway lanterns if you like. And it is at Central Park East on the lower east side of the park. I just think it's absolutely fantastic, and so does Monkey.